Ever found yourself wishing for a simpler, more private way to handle your digital assets? A way to send, receive, and manage your cryptocurrencies without broadcasting your every move? Well, what if I told you there's an app designed with exactly that in mind? In today's digital age, privacy is becoming increasingly important, and that extends to our financial transactions. While the transparency of some blockchain technologies can be beneficial, it also means your transaction history and balances are potentially visible to anyone. This is where Beam Wallet steps in, offering a refreshing approach to cryptocurrency management. So, what exactly is the Beam Wallet app used for? At its core, Beam Wallet is a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet focused on privacy and ease of use. It allows you to securely store, send, and receive Beam, the native cryptocurrency of the Beam blockchain. But it's not just about holding coins, it's about doing so with enhanced confidentiality. One of the key features of Beam Wallet is its implementation of Mimblewimble, a revolutionary privacy-preserving blockchain protocol. Without getting too technical, Mimblewimble employs cryptographic techniques that obscure the amounts and participants involved in transactions. This means when you send or receive Beam using the wallet, the details of your transaction are not publicly recorded on the blockchain in the same way as with some other cryptocurrencies. This significantly enhances your financial privacy. Beyond basic sending and receiving, Beam Wallet offers a user-friendly interface that makes managing your Beam assets straightforward. You can view your transaction history, check your balance, and generate QR codes for easy receiving of funds. The non-custodial nature of the wallet is also crucial. This means you have full control over your private keys, and therefore, your funds. Unlike custodial exchanges or wallets, Beam Wallet doesn't hold your cryptocurrency for you, you are the sole custodian. Furthermore, Beam Wallet often integrates features that enhance usability and security. This can include address book functionality for saving frequently used addresses, transaction notes for your own record keeping, and robust security measures to protect your wallet from unauthorized access. The developers are continuously working on improving the app, adding new features, and ensuring a seamless user experience. Think of Beam Wallet as your personal vault for Beam cryptocurrency, but one that prioritizes your privacy above all else. It's designed for individuals who value discretion in their financial dealings and want a secure and intuitive way to interact with the Beam blockchain. Whether you're sending funds to a friend, paying for services that accept Beam, or simply holding your digital assets, Beam Wallet provides a private and secure environment for these activities. It empowers you to participate in the digital economy with greater control over your financial information. So, if you're looking for a cryptocurrency wallet that puts your privacy first and offers a smooth, user-friendly experience for managing your Beam assets, then Beam Wallet is definitely worth exploring. It's a powerful tool for anyone seeking greater confidentiality in their cryptocurrency transactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.